Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I will help you to learn some basic commands and shortcut keys of Kali Linux, and of course without commands the Linux is boring. So without wasting more time, let's start the video. Let's talk about Linux. Linux is a free and open source operating system, based on the Unix operating system. It was developed in 1991 and has since grown into a vast and thriving ecosystem of software, tools, and communities. Some qualities of the Linux OS are: it is free and open source, which means that anyone can access and modify the source code. It is highly customizable, can be tailored to suit specific needs. It is stable and reliable, with a proven track record in mission-critical environments. It is secure, with built-in security features and a strong focus on data protection and privacy. It is versatile, can be used for a wide range of applications, from web hosting and data processing to scientific research and gaming. In Linux, the folder is also called directory. Let's start by opening the terminal, the command line interface where we enter our commands. The first command is ls. This command lists all the files and directories in the current working directory. Type ls in the terminal and press enter to see a list of all files and directories. Next command is cd, which changes the current working directory. For example, if you want to go to the desktop folder, type cd desktop and press enter. The pwd command in Linux stands for print working directory in quat. This command is used to display the full path of the current working directory, or it shows location. cd double dot command is used to go out of current working directory. For example, if you are in the desktop directory, type cd double dot hit enter to go out of desktop directory. Sudo su. This command is used to give root privileges. It asks for password, type Linux password and hit enter. Exit command. This command is used to close root privileges or to exit terminal. Clear command. It is used to clear the terminal screen by erasing all previous commands and outputs. Top command. This command is used to see CPU usage and all running programs. It works same as Windows Task Manager. Ctrl+C. This key is used to interrupt or terminate any running process. Let's launch the terminal by using shortcut key, which is Ctrl+Alt+T. Ctrl+C. This key is used to interrupt or terminate any running process. Ctrl+L. The working of this key is same as clear command. It is used to clear the screen of terminal. Ctrl+Shift+C and Ctrl+Shift+V. These two commands are used to copy and paste any text in the terminal. Thank you for watching our tech channel. We hope you found the information and insights we shared to be informative and useful. If you enjoyed our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. We appreciate your support and feedback, so feel free to leave comments and suggestions for future topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the world of technology.